Look at this. It's like magic. One of the biggest challenges for a smartphone is it's not really a video camera. It serves about 1 million different functions and the camera is just one of them. It's kind of wobbly and hard to hold on to and all the rest of it. Now, in a previous video, we talked about how you could use a GorillaPod as a good handle. What's that? You missed that? Well, then you should subscribe then, shouldn't you? And truth be told, the GorillaPod's a great solution if you're on a budget, but when you want to level up, one of these bad boys is pretty cool. This is a Osmo mobile gimbal. It takes all of the wobbles and bumps out of your filming. So it's all very well just waving it around like this. Let's have a look at how it actually looks. If I walk along and hold the phone out in front of me and don't use a stabilizer, then this is about as best as I can get. And here's the Osmo, so you can see that not only am I able to hold onto this phone much better because it's got a handle attached to it, but it's taking all of the bumps and grooves out of it and making it a much smoother experience. Don't forget you can download my full guide on all of the essential equipment that you need to set up for a professional smartphone video shoot on remotevideoteam.com/geek.